In your opinion, who is at fault in this case? Fortunately, it was just a minor collision.
Por ese lado, güey, tú te metes sin voltear, voltea de perdida, güey, tienes ojos, güey. Si yo me meto así, volteas, güey. No, tú le pegaste, güey, no mames.
Ah, yo te pegué.
Güey, tú te atravesaste, mira cómo está la moto. Te estoy grabando, güey.
Taking corners while riding motorcycles provides an incredibly exhilarating feeling, but not in this case.
Yep, that'll do it.
Oh, let's do the Ford cross in. No, you won't. How deep is it? No, it's not deep at all, look. Look, come on, look, it's fucking gooch deep. Oh, and apparently very slippery.
Oh, it hurts so much.
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah. That is crazy slippery.
Fortunately, they were unharmed and the car only suffered minor scratches. The car doesn't intend to give way to the truck. Passing by cars like that seems extremely risky to me. And of course, the car involved didn't see him before the collision.
What the f*** are you doing? Use your f***ing mirror! Got it right here.
What happened? He switched over.
So you just switch lanes right behind you, and then he came up like that. So you, okay, so you caught my, what happened? You hit my driver's side then, huh? Yeah.
He was riding his motorcycle along the road. Suddenly, a black car changed its direction.
Are you mad?
I'm very sorry.
You need to be careful, man.
I am very I told you. Because you're both racing against each other.
No, I don't know.
You're both walking on the road. I'm very sorry.
Well, don't watch him, man. No, don't watch him.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, man. I got it on camera, man. You like having that beer?
Cutting into someone else's lane is one of the most rude behaviors on the road, and I believe they should learn the rules before driving on the road.
Not going to do anything if you're not going.
I mean, do you want me to call Utah County Sheriff? I'm happy to do so.
What are we doing that's wrong?
You've got designated trails for your bikes.
Oh yeah, and there's one right there going all the way across.
Do you understand that?
Yeah.
I live really close to here. If I see you out here, I will have the Utah County Sheriff out here, and you guys will get ridden up.
Okay.
Okay? You guys know better than this. Okay, how old are you? 17?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Good hell, guys. Use your brains. You know better.
Sometimes unexpected incidents can still occur.
Yeah. Gotta know what you're doing for one. Really? Hey. Really? You alright?
I'm fine.
Okay.
You hurt your truck?
No, I got to hit my trailer ball.
Hey.
both cars are significantly damaged. The two men in the truck flee the scene immediately. One person remains behind. It's unclear what happened to them. No idea what led up to this besides bad decisions. Everything seemed fine until he changed lanes with his motorcycle.
Are you okay? Maybe wait.
What were you thinking? The robot was red for you! It was red! I've got it on camera, bitch! I've got it on camera. Come, I need your details. You're gonna pay for all of that shit. Baby, sit down. She says the robot was green for her.
The white car loses control and swerves into the adjacent lane, colliding with a black car that is in motion on the road. Goodbye and see you in the upcoming videos.